Okay. Today we're going to talk about the fact that there is no vortex on a magnet, and I'm going to prove it with observational evidence. Now, the evidence that has been offered so far is what you can see on the screen, which is a CRT, just your general old TV screen before flat screens and plasma screens and everything else. That is just a TV screen. And what it does when you push the magnet towards it, we'll watch a video in a minute, a vortex seems to appear. Now, I've said that the magnet surface, the same as the Earth atmosphere, is a diatom surface. You can go look up the word diatom, but basically it's a ball with holes on the outside, and the holes are vortices that spiral into the center. So I've said since the beginning that this picture is a lie and that the CRT screen isn't picking up what actually is there. So I'm going to play a video now by the only other person that goes on about magnetism, you've guessed it, Ken L. Wheeler, aka Theoria Apophasis. And we're going to hear one of his videos where he's bragging about this. So I just thought I'd bring it up and then show observational evidence that proves that that vortex is an incorrect observation and that the person who's talking about it really doesn't know what he's talking about. All right, let's have a look at the video, and then I'll show and explain what's going on in the next video.
It moves it in the same direction. And look at the edge definition of where the black void is, because the black void is being caused by the centrifugal magnetic velocity. You can see that we're moving, our centrifugal field is moving clockwise, but our centripetal field, which is at the middle of the magnet, is moving exactly opposite. It is moving counterclockwise, exactly like the world's first explanation of magnetism, accurate explanation of magnetism, mine, as in uncovering the missing secrets of magnetism, proving my theory that field incommensurability is accurate, and you are witnessing the dawn of the first explanation in all of history as to the accurate explanation of magnetism using simplex Euclidean geometry, Platonic retroductive methodology. A very intelligent person who's studied magnetism for years and years and years, and you've got a rational explanation, and I will create more and more videos, proof upon proof after proof. Much more to add to the book. Right now it's in its second edition, so download Uncovering the Missing Secrets.
All right, well, obviously I'm about to prove that that very, very smart man isn't as smart as he thinks. So I'm about to show you a neodymium magnet versus a computer screen. Now, I've been trying to mess around with different screens and haven't been getting what I wanted, so I don't know what people are doing. This is a video by the real Damon Jackson, if you want to go look at it on YouTube. And so basically, I've said it's a diatom surface, so we should be looking for little bubbles to appear, especially where the vortex is, because I say there isn't a vortex. I say there's many vortices. And I don't need Platonic logic or herpes simplex 10. I'm just going to use God's wisdom and the visions that he showed me about all energy travel, and we'll see if I'm correct. Let's see if we can find some bubbles. All right, so here we go. Oh, look, bubbles right on the end of that North Pole. So the CRT screen is a pile of garbage and shouldn't be used for pretending that you know what magnets look like, because that has no vortex. He's touching the screen right there. There isn't a vortex. There is only piles and piles of bubbles because it's a diatom surface, which means it's full of holes, which is why you can move the vortex by using a ferrocell, because it's vortices everywhere. And that on screen absolutely proves it. So you can carry on believing the nonsense that Ken L. Wheeler keeps showing, or you can start learning what I've put and understand how God has created this universe. Thanks very much. My name is Lee. I follow the Christ, and I show you the things that he shows me, and I knew what I was looking for. It just took me an extra year and a half to find it. Thanks a lot. Bye.